Okay. Good evening to all of you. Are you able to listen my voice?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to discuss a few applications on the yesterday's concept. మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం yesterday's class, Nehas?
Sir, the number of ways of arranging different things into R different places.
N distinct objects into R different places. What is it?
Places. Repetition of AR when n greater
N greater than or equal to R NPR. N less than or equal to R RPM. This is the case of repetitions allowed or repetitions not allowed.
The repetition not allowed.
So repetitions allowed how much? Repetitions not allowed. N power R. Suppose n distinct objects we are having.
N power R.
If you want to arrange n distinct objects into the R places, it's always n power R only. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
And these two formulas also we can get it from the multiplication principle only. Simple idea. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Okay. Note down this question. How many three-digit codes can be formed by using 12 distinct alphabets? Here first one is repetition allowed. Second one is repetition not allowed. Question అర్థమైందా Nehas?
అర్థమైంది, sir.
How many three-digit codes can be formed by using 12 distinct alphabets? Repetitions allowed, repetitions not allowed. So what is the size of our code?
Not.
Size contains 3 alphabets.
3, sir. 3.
So how many digits we are having? 12 distinct digits.
3 alphabets.
So repetitions allowed means for the, how many ways are possible? Can you say it? Repetitions allowed.
12 power 3, sir.
Huh?
12 power 3. 12 power 3, sir.
12 cube. Because for the first box we are having 12 chances. For second 12.
12 cube.
For third also 12. Because repetitions allowed, they are saying. But repetitions not allowed.
12p3.
So 12 into 11 into 10 are 12p3.
12p3.
And the 12p3 is same as 12 into 11 into 10. So no need to remember this form also. We can count down like this by using multiplication principle. Okay, one more last question I am going to discuss it. So then we can get a clarity on repetitions allowed and repetitions not allowed. Then I will move into the next subtopic. Suppose there is a room. In this room, 3 persons are there. And moreover, to this room, we are having 4 exits. In exit luna?
4, sir.
How many exits we are having to this room?
4, sir.
4. Any person can come out from any exit. How many ways? So all these 3 persons come out. Are you understanding my question?
Sir, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
In a room, 3 persons are there. To this room, we are having 4
exits.
4 exits. My question is, in how many ways they can come out from the room? All the 3 members come out from the room.
4.
4 cubes, sir.
4
cubes, sir.
4 cube. How?
అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జిట్ లోకి
This person, how many chances we are having? He can
4.
come out from.
4 exits.
So this person, he can come out from any one of the 4 exits. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So why I am writing 4? This 4 means, so to this person, we are having 4 chances. He can come out from any one of the 4 exits. That's why 4. For second one also
4.
4. For third one also 4. So answer is 4. And if you want, write down the question. There are 4 exits to the room. In that 3 members are there. In how many ways? So all the 3 members come out from the room. Next question. Find the number of 3-letter words formed by using the letters A, B, C, D, E. And one more part we should add it to this. Find the number of 3-letter words formed by using letters of the word A, B, C, D, E. And find the number of 3-letter words formed by using the letters of the word A, B, C, D, E, such that this is the main condition. At least one letter is repeated. And here they are not mentioning repetitions allowed or repetitions not allowed. Tejas, are you understanding the question?
Yes, sir.
Sir, question is
Find the number of 3-letter words formed by using the letters A, B, C, D, E, such that at least one letter is repeated.
Ante. ఏం చేస్తారు?
Sir, first letter ki రాసుకొని next 2 letters repeated అని తీసుకొని.
So actually here what is the size of my word? 3.
3, sir.
So I want to use this letters only. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Actually for this how many chances are there?
5.
5. For this, suppose I am involving the repetition 5. Here also
5.
5 is 5 cube. Is it right?
Yes,
In
sir.
this repetitions
Allowed.
allowed. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. So how many ways we are having? 5.
4.
This
3. 4.
4. This 3.
3.
So 5p3. Repetition not allowed. Observe these two. Then we can answer the question.
5 cube minus 5p3.
Very good. 5 cube minus 5p3. These are all the 3-letter words with repetition. In this repetition not allowed, I am subtracting it. Then what we will get? Then we will get at least 1 letter repeated case we will get it. So at least 1 letter repeated, maybe 2 letters repeated, 3 letters repeated. 1 letter can repeated any number of times. Are you following my point?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? 5 cube minus
5p3.
5p3. In this 5 cube, can we get all 5p3 possibilities?
We may get, sir.
Definitely will get it.
Yes, sir.
So in 5 cube, definitely will get all the cases of 5p3.
5p3.
So if we subtract those 5p3 in the remaining ways, definitely
We will get at least 1 repeated.
at least 1 letter is repeated. And in the we may get AAA, AAB, ABC, ABB. What we are subtracting, these cases we are subtracting it. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So these cases we are counting. How many such cases we are having? 5 cube minus
5p3.
5p3. Next, arrangement of alike objects. Put this side. This is the last discussion. Next, I will enter into the only problem discussion. Arrangement of alike objects. And what is the meaning of arrangement of alike objects? Nehas?
సార్ అంటే సిమిలర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని ఒక దగ్గర అరేంజ్ చేయడం అంటే లీనియర్ గాను
Linear only I am discussing. Discussion is only linear permutation. After completing this, I will enter into the circular permutation. So arrangement of alike objects. Suppose I will try to explain with this example.
డిస్సిమిలర్
Alike means exactly same.
yes
Suppose I'm having 3 alphabets A, A, B. I want to arrange only these 3. In how many ways I can arrange it? How many ways I can arrange? A, A, B or A, B, A.
ABA
Next,
BAA
B, A. Is it right?
yes sir
Suppose these 3 are distinct. What I can do? Suppose instead of A, I am having A1. Instead of another A, I am having A2. This is B. Then how many ways I can arrange these 3? Instead of alike objects, suppose I am having dissimilar objects. A1, A2, B. How many ways I can arrange it? 3 objects. How many ways we can arrange it? 3 factor. So this is correct, 100%. Is it right?
yes sir
So what I do is, here how many cases we are having? If 3 letters we are having, in the 2 are similar. Or 2 are exactly same. How many ways we are getting?
3 sir
3. if alike objects are there, what I do is, what are alike objects? These two, right?
Yes, sir.
Each case of arrangement of alike objects, each case of arrangement of alike object, further I can write like this. By observing this, can I write like this? A1, A2, B.
Yes,
I will
sir.
interchange these two. A2, A1, B. Same, this also. A1, B,
A1, B, A2.
A2, B, A1. These all are different, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, BA1, A2, BA2, A1.
Yes, sir.
Another.
Yes, sir.
So for each, how many cases are possible?
2.
2 cases are possible. Here, for second one,
2, sir.
for this,
2.
so actually for each 2 cases are possible. So total how many cases we are having? 3 into 2.
6.
3 into 2. It means
Yes,
3
sir.
into. What is 3?
Okay. Number of cases.
Number of cases of arrangement of alike objects
Alike objects.
into 2. What is 2? How many
Possible
alike
cases.
objects are there? So
Oh,
that is 2
okay.
factorial basically. If suppose A1, A2, 3 A's are there, then what I will do? So that 3 A's I can arrange with A1, A2, A3. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Then each case of a alike object arrangement I can have further
3 cases.
6 cases.
Oh. Okay.
Enduku 3 factorial. And suppose A, B is there, then what I can do?
Okay. Yes.
A1, A2, A3, B.
A3.
This I can fill with A1, A3, A2, B. Next, A2, A1, A3, A2, A3, A1, A3, A1, A2, A3, A2, A1.
A1.
So from this I can, how many cases I can write?
6, sir.
6. It means these 3 I am arranging with A1, A2, A3. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 alphabets, if you want to arrange it, if they are distinct, they are not distinct here. But what I am doing, each case of an arrangement of alike object,
Alike
based
object.
on that I am writing further cases. Why I am
Yes,
writing
sir.
further cases is, I want to interrelate the number of ways of arrangement of alike objects to number of ways of arrangement of distinct objects. That interrelation you can observe it here clearly. What is this? These are total 6 ways, right?
Yes, sir.
So it means each case of an alike object, if we write further like this, we can get all the cases of arrangement of 3 distinct
Arrangement.
objects.
3. Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 6. 6 or else, 3 factors.
3 factorial.
So I need this. What is this? Can I write like this 3 factorial by 2 factorial?
Yes, sir.
So to get the required number of ways of arranging 3 letters in the 2 are alike, what is the process? What is the number of letters in this? 3 factorial by how many
3
alike letters
factorial
are
by
there?
2. 2
2
factorial.
factorial. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Suppose AB is there. How many ways we can arrange this? 4 factorial by
4
total.
factorial by 3 factorial.
Because alike objects, how many are there? We can write out in the denominator because this is the duplication.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Actually, they are distinct. A1, A2B and A2, A1B we are considering as same.
Same.
But A1, A2 are same. AAB and AAB both are same. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
The duplication we should cut off. What is the duplication?
By 3
3
factorial.
factorial. Here in this case. Ardhavatna?
Yes.
Pages.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just write down the formula. With the example, you can understand it easily. So, note, first one, n objects are there. In this, P are alike of one kind. Q are alike. What is P? P denotes number. Q are alike of second kind, and rest of them are distinct. And in the arrangement of alike objects, what we should consider? ఏం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలండి? How many times the letter is repeated? Otherwise, how many times the thing is repeated? అర్థమవుతుందా? By that factorial we should write down. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, total how many objects we are having?
N objects.
In this, P are alike of first kind, one kind, Q are alike of second kind, and remaining all are distinct. Then total number of ways of arranging. N objects is equal to n factorial, total number of objects n factorial. Here in this n, do we have any alike objects? Two kinds of alike objects we are having. Are you following my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So those two factorials we should write down in the denominator. First one P factorial, second one
Q factorial.
Remaining no need to consider it because remaining all are
Distinct.
That's all. Are you following my point?
Yes, sir.
Note down. And with the example we can understand here. ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ థింగ్ అండి, తేజస్.
Sir.
How many ways we can arrange all the letters of the word Tejas? అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? క్వశ్చన్ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. How many ways we can arrange all the letters of the word Tejas? అంటే now we should observe in this word, are there any alike letters are there? We should observe it. Are there any alike letters?
No, sir.
No. So that's why simply what I can write?
5 factorial.
5 factorial. Very good. Next. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Rama?
4 factorial by 2 factorial.
Very good. 4 factorial by 2 factorial because 2. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Amma?
4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial.
Enduku?
2
m's 2a's.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
But in this process, what we are doing, we are arranging all the letters of the word.
Yes, sir.
Abhodna?
Yes, sir.
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఎన్ని వేస్ అండి? ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ వేస్ వీ కెన్ అరేంజ్ ఆల్ ద లెటర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్? వెన్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ ఐడియా? ఎప్పుడు చెప్పాలి ఇది?
All the letters of the word.
All the letters of the word, then we can use it. All the letters of the word. అంటే ఎందుకు in all the letters, if we consider it, then only we can have 3 A's every time. Sorry, not 3 A's. 4 A's every time. Next, is there any repetition?
N, sir. 2 times.
2 times. And then the total, how much letter this is?
11 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
Very good. ఎప్పుడు ఇది? when repetitions are not repetitions, Arrangement of alike objects. ఇక్కడ కావాలంటే రాయండి total number of ways of arranging all n objects. And with these ideas, we can do beautiful questions. Take this question first. Run question note change. I want to dictate it. I don't want to write down. Find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging 10 boys in a row. Find the number of ways of arranging 10 boys in a row. Ten boys in a row, so that two particular boys, A and B, capital A and capital B, they are calling those boys with the alphabets capital A and capital B. Two particular boys, capital A and capital B, are together and another boys capital C and capital B, capital D, capital C and capital D, another boys capital C and capital D are not together. క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా నాహాస్?
అర్థమైంది.
ఏంటి చెప్పండి.
ఒక రోలో 10 బాయ్స్ ని అరేంజ్ చేయాలి సో దట్ A and B are together and C and D are not together.
Very good. So A, B, C, D are 4 persons in this 10 boys. Okay? అంతేనా?
Yes sir.
ఏం చేద్దాం?
Yes sir.
So A and B are together. Is it right? అవునా కదా?
Yes sir.
So A, B are together. It means
Yes sir.
I can tie A and B and consider as one unit because A and B are together, right? అవునా కదా?
Yes sir.
I want to tie A and B.
Yes sir.
And AB I am calling as one unit. Are remaining how many objects are there including C and D?
8.
Remaining how many boys are there including CD?
8. 8, sir.
8. But on CD is also there is a condition. So CD I want to consider separately. Are you understanding? Excluding CD, AB, how many boys are there?
6, sir.
So B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Those 6 boys I am calling like this. Avuna kada? So
Yes,
C
sir.
and D are not together. What does it means?
C and D are not.
C and D are not together. And the meaning end.
పక్క పక్కనే ఉండకూడదు సార్.
ఉండకూడదు. అంటే what does it means?
At least one should be in middle.
Middle.
At
least one of other 7 members should be in middle of C and D.
No. కాదండి ఇక్కడ C and D are not together. It means first of all, anytime if we have 2 objects are not together, so what we can do is consider the remaining objects. First, arrange the remaining objects. In the gap of remaining objects, if we keep it C and D, then automatically C and D are not together. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
And other than CD, and if 2 objects are not together, and then what we should do? First, arrange the remaining objects rather than this. Ardhamatna?
Yes, sir.
The gaps of each arrangement, the 2 things should come. And suppose other than CD, what are the objects? AB is 1 unit.
AB,
B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. How many things are there totally?
8, sir.
I am considering this as 1 unit.
7.
7. Because A and B, we should not count it individually. This is
Yes,
1 unit, right? Because AB together.
Yes, sir.
So how many things?
7.
7. What I am trying to say is, if we arrange this 7, how many ways I can arrange it?
7 factorial.
Very good. 7 things, 7 all are distinct, right? 7 distinct things
Yes,
I
sir.
can arrange in 7 factorials. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Then what I do C and D? The C and D should be arranged in the gaps of this each arrangement of 7 objects. How many
7
gaps are
members.
there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many gaps are there? Any gaps?
8 gaps.
8 gaps. And
8, sir.
In this 8, in any 2 I can arrange this CD. How many ways I can do it? చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. In these 8 places, I want to arrange these 2 things. How many ways we can arrange it? And moreover, in each place we can have only 1 object only, 1 boy only. Arrangement of R objects in n places. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
NPR or RPR
8P2,
depending on N and R. ఎంత?
Yes, sir. 8P2.
8P2. Or else how I can
8P2.
do? The C can be there in any 1 of 8. ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. Another explanation. 7 factorial, I think all of you understood. 7 factorial అర్థమైంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు suppose this is one arrangement in the arrangement of the 7 numbers.
Yes, sir.
So this arrangement, what I do is, this arrangement we have 8 gaps. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
In this 8 gaps, in any 2 gaps, I want to arrange CD. So 8P2 directly I can write, or else C can go into any 1 of the 8 places. Next D can go into
Any 7.
any 1 of 7 places. These 2 are same.
7 places.
So 7 factorial, sorry. Actually, this is one of the arrangement. Is it right? So in this arrangement, how many chances are
Yes,
there? 8
sir.
into 7. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
But how many such cases we are having?
Yes, sir.
Such cases means in how many ways we can arrange the 7?
7 factorial.
7 factorial ways. But in each case, we can observe 8 gaps. In 8 gaps, I can fill this CD in 8 into 7 ways.
See,
And how many such cases we can have?
7 factorial.
7 factorial. జగ్వీన్ పండుగను పట్టుకెళ్ళు. జగ్వీ హలో తేజస్ అండి, ఇప్పుడు టుగెదర్ అన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు కూడా
ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని ఒక యూనిట్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేసి total number of distinct
with the remaining objects we should arrange it.
Yes, sir.
CD not together. Suppose we need not together cases, then what we should do? Rather than this remaining objects, we should arrange it.
Yes,
in the
sir.
gap of arrangement of remaining objects, we should arrange these objects which are not come together.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా? And
అర్థమైంది.
moreover, one thing we forgot it here. Can I arrange AB? AB in how many ways I can arrange it?
2 factorial ways.
2 factorial. Into 2 factorial is also correct. Okay, what is my answer? Final answer?
7
7
factorial
factorial 8p2 into 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
అంటే ఇలా రాయాలి. In order we can write down 7 factorial first. What is the 7 factorial in this? 1 unit is AB into 2 factorial. Why this is 2 factorial?
Arranging AB
Arranging
together.
AB. Next 8p2. ఇక్కడ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలండి. నేను ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ why I am writing 7 factorial into is చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. In how many ways we can arrange these 7? చెప్పైతే 7 factorial
7
into 2.
factorial into 2. Yes, sir.
So can I say this is one of the arrangement
Yes, sir.
in 7 factorial into 2?
Yes, sir.
So what I do this arrangement, in this arrangement, I can fill the C and D in the
8 gaps.
8 gaps. In how many ways I can do it?
8p2.
8p2. So each case of 7 factorial 2, further I can arrange with CD in 8p2.
8p2. Yes, sir.
So how many such cases we are having?
7 factorial into 2 into 8p2.
Very good. For each case, we are having 8p2. So we are having 7 factorial into 2 such cases. So total number of required ways is 7 factorial into 2 into 8p2.
8p2.
So idoka way andi. Like this we can do it. What is 8p2? 8p2 is simply
8 into 7.
7. And ఏమొస్తుంది నాకు 7 factorial into 8 into 7 into 2 factorial is 2. 8 into 7 factorial
8 factorial.
Into 14. So my answer is 14 into
8 factorial.
8 factor. No need to simplify it, that 8 factor. So I want to do it in another way, this question. If my question is AB together. So AB always I am considering as 1 unit.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it right? CD not come together. Intana?
Yes, sir.
So remaining how many boys are there?
6.
6. What I do is, so not come together problems also we can do like this also. So definitely we should consider A and B as 1 unit because AB come together. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
AB come together, I am considering as 1 unit. This is 1 unit, second boy, third boy, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This also I am considering 8th, 9th. So total how many objects we are having to arrange?
9.
By treating this as 1 unit.
9.
9 I will arrange it. 9 factor. Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Into AB also I can arrange. In this unit AB I can arrange in
2 factorial ways. 2 ways.
But in this, these are the total number of ways. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
In this, what we should subtract to get CD not come together? And in this, we are having the cases of CD come together, CD not come together.
Yes, sir.
Is it right? But
Yes,
we
sir.
need only CD not come together.
We should
Which
subtract
cases we should subtract?
CD come together.
Okay. CD come together means again I am considering CD as 1 unit.
1 unit.
Then how many units are there? 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7. This is 8.
8. 8 factorial.
Factorial into
2 factorial.
in this unit AB I can arrange 2 factorial in this unit.
Into 2 factorial.
So what I can take common from these two?
8 factorial into 2 factorial.
So what we will get? 9 minus 2.
2.
8 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 7. What is this?
14.
Into 8 factorial. Like this also we can do it. And then this is the cases of AB come together. Next. And
CD come together.
but this is the case of
Only AB come together.
only AB come together. In this, CD may come together, may not come together.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Completed? Nahas.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. In how many ways? In how many ways can 8 persons A comma B comma C so on? So total 8. In this only 3 I'm mentioning it because the problem is related to these 3 only. A, B, C so on. Be arranged so that first question. A comma B comma C are all not together. Second, no two of A comma B comma C are together. Neha's question అర్థమైందా ఫస్ట్?
Yes, sir.
ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్ ఏం చెప్పండి? ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ వేస్ కెన్ 8 persons A, B, C, so on be arranged so that A, B, C are all not together? And meaning ఏంటి?
ABC అనే వాళ్ళు పక్క పక్కన ఉండకూడదు.
అంటే in the first problem, can I get the cases like this?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Why? Tejas, in the first problem, can I get the cases like this?
Yes, sir.
Some person AB, one is beside to another, some person C. We don't know A, B, C are all not together.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
అవును సార్.
So AB may be
Yes, sir,
A comma B may be together. But what is his question? A, B, C are all not together. So the 3 persons should not be together.
Not together.
అర్థమైందా? Nahas.
Yes, sir.
మరి ఇప్పుడు ఏం
అర్థమైంది.
చేయాలి? How to do the first question?
సార్ 8 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ మైనస్ 3 మెంబర్స్ ని ఒక యూనిట్ గా అనుకొని
అంటే
5
all
ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్
not together. It means, so 8 persons in how many ways we can arrange it for simply?
8 fact
8 factorial, sir.
8 factorial. In this, what cases we should subtract it to get this?
ABC all are together.
So ABC all are together. It means ABC, can I call it as one unit?
Yes, sir.
Treating ABC as one unit, how many remaining persons are there? So total 8 minus 3, 5. So 5 persons. 5 plus this we should treat it as? This we should treat it as. ఎలా ట్రీట్ చేయాలి దీన్ని?
కొంచెం
Huh?
వాయిస్ నాకు కొంచెం స్లో వస్తుంది సార్.
Okay.
అంటే నా నెట్ కొంచెం స్లో ఉంది.
Okay. This we should consider as
1 యూనిట్
1 unit. So 5 plus 1 and anta
6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 6.
those 6 we should arrange it. Ante this I am treating as 1 unit. So this unit I am arranging means in that unit ABC is always there. Are you following my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And moreover, in this unit we should arrange the objects. That we should not forget. In this unit only we should arrange it. In this unit, how many letters are, how many boys are there? How many persons?
3.
So those 3 we should arrange it. How many ways I can arrange it? Internal arrangement.
3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్
3 fact. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? ABC is there. I write it as BAC, BCA. Like that I am arranging it. But ABC are always together only. రిషిత్ అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్ ఇది?
ఎస్ సార్, అర్థమైంది సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పా రిషిత్, ఎలా చేస్తాం? ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఫర్దర్ సింప్లిఫై చేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తావా?
6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్
6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఎంత? 8 sevens
56 minus 6.
56 minus 6. 50 into 6 factorial. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, no two of ABC are together. అంటే A and B should maintain a gap, and B and C also should maintain a gap, and A and C also should maintain a gap. Is it right? అర్థమవుతుందా రషిత్?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు దీస్ 3 persons ఏం చేయాలి? 3 persons నేను ఇందాక చెప్పాను, suppose the two persons, the two letters or two persons are not together, then what we should do? First arrange the remaining objects. In the gaps
Gap.
of the remaining objects, we can arrange these objects.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా.
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
excluding ABC, how many persons are there?
5.
5 persons, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. How many ways I can arrange this?
5 factorial.
5 factorial. How many gaps will be there in linear?
6.
5 persons means 6. 6 persons means 7. 7 persons means 8. So number of persons plus 1 is number of gaps. So in the 6 gaps, I should arrange
A, B, C.
A, B, C. And each gap, only one person should be there.
Yes, sir.
How many ways are there?
6 into 5 into 4.
6 into 5 into 4 or 6p3.
6 P3.
And ela cheppavu, this A
A
will go
6 times.
will go into
4
any one
ways.
of 5, C will go into the any one of 4. 6p4. Or otherwise, నేను ఏం చెప్పాను, arrangement of n objects into the r places. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 3 objects into the r places. R places means 6. So RPR.
6 P3.
No doubt. Hello? Hello? నోట్ చేశారండి? Next question. In how many ways, note on this, in how many ways 6 boys comma 6 girls be arranged in a row? In how many ways 6 boys comma 6 girls be arranged in a row? In how many ways 6 boys comma 6 girls be arranged in a row? So that no two girls and no two boys are together. No two girls and no two boys are together. Question and చెప్పాయి తేజస్.
సార్ 6 బాయ్స్ 6 గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నారు సార్.
అరేంజ్ చేయాలి వీళ్ళందరినీ, all of them we should arrange it
such that no two boys and no two girls are together.
అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి?
2 బాయ్స్ పక్క పక్కకు కానీ 2 గర్ల్స్ పక్క పక్కకు కానీ ఉండకుండా
ఉండకూడదు. అంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? బాయ్ పక్కన ఎవరు ఉండాలి?
గర్ల్ ఉండాలి సార్.
గర్ల్ పక్కన బాయ్ ఉండాలి.
ఎస్ సార్.
అంతేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ఎలా? ఇక్కడ హియర్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్, రైట్?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే సపోజ్ ద బాయ్స్ ఆర్ B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. సో Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5, Z6. అంటే ఎట్లా ఉండొచ్చు? కెన్ యూ సే ఎనీ వన్ పాసిబుల్ అరేంజ్మెంట్?
B1
జస్ట్ ఫర్ ద
G1
అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ.
B1 G1 B2 G2 B3
B3
G3
Z3, B4 G4, B5 G5, B6 G6. Is it right?
yes sir.
Okay. This is one of the arrangement. అవునా కదా?
Yes sir.
మరి how I can get total number of us? అంటే is girl 1 should be the middle of B1 B2? Need not.
No, not necessary.
Not necessary. కాబట్టి so internally boys we can arrange. Is it right?
Yes sir.
Internally girls I can arrange. How many ways I can arrange boys internally? And internally arrange means only in these places I am arranging B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. How many ways I can arrange it? How many places are there?
6 places sir.
6 places, 6 boys you should arrange it. How many ways? Total
6
number of ways.
6 factorial.
So the 6 factorial is arranging B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 in the boys positions only. Next, girls, how many ways I can arrange it? So here my work is not completed.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Into, that's why I'm using multiplication principle, into girls. Girls also can arrange in those places?
Yes sir.
6 factorial.
6 factorial.
So what is my answer?
6 factorial into 6 factorial.
That is not correct. Here, the arrangement start with B. This is correct.
Yes sir.
The arrangement may be start with girl also. Is it right?
Yes sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes sir.
Girl తో స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఏం చేస్తా? I want to arrange girls in their positions. And I want to arrange the girls in girls positions only. And boys also in the boys positions. That is also one more 6 factorial into 6 factorial. Is it right?
Yes sir.
So our required thing possible in this way or this way. Is it right?
Yes sir.
So this
Plus this.
and the 2 into 6 factorial into 6 factorial. ఇంకా దీనికోసం ఏమైనా డిస్కస్ చేస్తారా? కెన్ యూ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఎనీ డిఫరెంట్ వే? చెప్పగలరా ఎవరన్నా? చెప్పండి
సార్. ఇక్కడ బాయ్స్ ఫస్ట్ 6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఉంది కదా సార్,
అవును.
దానిలో 7 గ్యాప్స్ తీసుకొని దానిలో 6 గర్ల్స్ ని పెట్టచ్చు.
దొరికాను నాకు ఇప్పుడు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేం చెప్తున్నావు? యాక్చువల్లీ హియర్ బాయ్స్ నాట్ టుగెదర్, no 2 boys not together, sorry, no 2 boys together, no 2 girls together. Is it right? అంటే నువ్వు what you are saying, first of all you want to arrange the boys first. ఇంతే నువ్వు చెప్తుంది.
సార్
చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలండి. B1, B2 మీరు డిస్కస్ చేస్తేనే వాట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ ఐ కెన్ గైడ్ యూ అనమాట. B5, B6. హౌ మెనీ వేస్ ఐ కెన్ అరేంజ్ ఇట్?
6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్.
Then what you are saying, in the gaps of the boys, if you arrange 6 girls, you are thinking no 2 girls are together. Is it right?
Yes sir.
And how many ways are possible? 7.
7 factorial.
So 7p6. And how many places we are having for 6 girls? 7 places. In each place, accommodated by only 1 girl. So 7p6. అంతే కదా?
సార్
ఇప్పుడు నేనేమన్నా అంటే సపోజ్ my girls are here 1 2 3 4 5 6, then these 2 boys are come together, but this case we should not consider. Is it right?
Yes sir.
But in this, we are counting those cases. Nakem kavali simultaneously, no two boys
No
together.
two boys, no two girls together.
So only like this only we should do it. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? అర్థమైందా నేహాస్?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Okay, next question. Find the number of ways of in which 7 speakers A1, A2, A3, so on A7 can speak in a meeting so that A1 speaks before it. This is అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్ చెప్పండి
సార్ 7 స్పీకర్స్ ఉన్నారు సార్, A1 A2 సో ఆన్ A7 దాకా. కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే A1 బిఫోర్ A2 A1 మాట్లాడాలి. A1 స్పీక్స్ బిఫోర్ A2.
All 7 members should you speak or otherwise is there any condition? Find the number of ways in which 7 speakers can speak in a meeting and
Yes,
all
sir.
of them should speak.
ఎస్ సార్.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
But what we need A1
స్పీక్స్ బిఫోర్ A2.
అది నాకు కావాలి. So suppose we are not having this condition. ఈ కండిషన్ లేదనుకోండి. Suppose we are not having this condition. How many ways they can speak?
7 factorial.
ఎందుకు?
7
members are there. Indirectly, suppose if you want to prepare a chart in serial wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then these 7 speakers, I want to write it in this serial number wise. So with that serial number, I want to send to the meeting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many ways I can arrange it? The 7 members in the serial wise?
7
7
factorial.
factor. Ante kada. So my answer is 7 factorial simply. Eppudu
When the condition is not given A1 before.
A1 speaks before E2 is not given.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ చూడాలి చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా. In this 7 factorial, what happened regarding A1 A2? A1 may speaks before A2, A2 may speaks before A1. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
And moreover here A1 and A2 are equal chances. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why how many cases we are having for A1 speaks before A2?
2 chances, sir.
No. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. What is the 7 factorial? 7 factorial means total number of ways of
Speaking.
7 speakers.
7 speakers.
Speak in meeting.
Speaking. Yes, sir.
In this ways, I am saying A1 number of ways of A1 speaks before A2 is same as that of A2 speaks before A1 because A1 and A2 are equally likely.
Yes,
They
sir.
are having equal chances. Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we are not having any priority for the individual of A1 and A2.
A1 and A2.
All
Yes,
are
sir.
equal, right?
Yes, sir.
And how many ways we are having for A1 speaks before A2? చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చెప్తున్నాను. In the total number of cases, the number of ways of A1 speaks before A2 is same as that of number of ways of A2 speaks before
Speak
A1.
before A1. Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So to get A1 speaks before A2, what we should do?
7 factorial minus A2 speaks before it.
No, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలండి. In all the cases, in the total number of ways, so these are the total number of ways, is it right?
Yes, sir.
In this number of ways of A1 speaks before A2, in this what are the possibilities we are having?
A1 may speak.
A1 speaks before A2 is there,
Yes, sir.
or
A2 speaks before A1.
A2 speaks before A2. A1, what I am saying, these two are equal clearly,
Yes, sir.
but I need this answer. How many ways A1 speaks before A2?
Or total number of cases minus this case. Sir.
Minus ఎందుకు? Why you are getting minus? No need of writing minus. ఏమండి, these are the total number of cases, and in this A1 speaks before A2 is there and A2 speaks before A1 is there, and
Yes,
we are
sir.
observing number of cases of A1 speaks before A2 is same as that of number of cases of A2 speaks before A1. I need number of cases of A1 speaks before A2. Rishit,
Sir,
ఎన్ని వస్తాయి?
7 factorial by 2.
7 factorial by 2. Very good. Half of them should be there. Because A1 speaks before A2, number of cases of A1 speaks before A2 is same as that of number of cases A2 speaks before A1. ఇలా చూడండి. Let A1 speaks number of ways of A1 speaks before A2. ఎంతయా? Suppose n. Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Number of ways of A2 speaks before A1. ఇది కూడా ఏమవ్వాలి?
M.
M. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So sum of these two ఏమవ్వాలి?
2M.
2M should be same as that of?
7 factorial.
Very good. So what is M?
7 factorial by 2.
By 2. So A1 speaks before A2, 7 factorial by 2 are there. A2 speaks before A2, 7 factorial by 2 are there. So total is again 7 factorial only.
Yes, sir.
And ikkada ela chodochu ante like this also we should see. Like another way also we can understand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే క్వశ్చన్ A1 speaks. So suppose this is the serial order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the serial I am sending to the meeting. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. అంతేనా A7. Tejas? ఇప్పుడు నేను how to do it mathematically I am going to discuss. So if you are aware about combination, then in the better way we can understand this. But as of now I didn't complete combination. That's why I'm trying to explain with the idea of permutation only. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? A1, A2 can come at any two places in the 7. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose A1 is here. So A2 should not be in these 3. A2 should come here. Or A2 can come here or A2 can come here. Then only A1 speaks before A2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
It means A1 and A2, we are having a condition on A1, A2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I should arrange this A1, A2. How I can arrange it? This A1, A2, I want to arrange in the 7 places. How many ways we can arrange A1, A2 in the 7 places?
7 factorial.
No.
6 factorial.
A1, A2 in how many ways we can arrange in the 7 places?
A1, A2, 2 factorial, sir.
In the 7 places.
7p2.
7p2. Very good. But in the 7p2, what happening? A1, A2 is there.
A2, A1.
A2, A1 is also there.
Yes,
but
sir.
A2, A1 should not be there.
Yes, sir. By 2.
So by 2 into what about remaining? Remaining I can arrange like anything. Because in the remaining we don't have a condition. So remaining how many persons are there?
5, sir.
5. After doing this, how many gaps will be there?
5, sir.
So that 5 persons I can arrange in 5 places in
5 factorial ways.
So now what is 7p2? 7 factorial by 5 factorial.
Yes,
This
sir.
5 factorial gets cancelled. What is my answer?
7 factorial by 2.
Like this also we can do. Induku why I am writing this by 2?
అంటే both the chances ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి.
Because the order they mentioned it.
Yes, sir.
And in 7p2 what we are having? A1, A2 we are having.
A2, A1 is
A2,
also.
A1 we are having. But I need only.
A1, J2.
So that's why by 2. Into further I can arrange remaining objects. And ఈ 2 factorial అంటే this is 2 factorial. What is the purpose of writing this 2 factorial? Order of A1, A2 ఏమవుతున్నట్టు? Order of A1, A2 are cancelled. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
So because of this 2 factorial, order of A1, A2 are not cancelled. Are cancelled. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకోటి అడుగుతాను. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. A1 in the above problem, find number of ways of A1 speaks before A2 and A2 speaks before A3. ఇది చెప్పండి ఎంతమంది చెప్తారు చూద్దాం. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అర్థం అవుతుందా నేహాస్?
ఎస్ సార్, అర్థమైంది.
అంటే ఈ like this I want to send to the meeting. So the 7 persons I want to arrange in these 7 blocks. ఏమవ్వాలి? A1 speaks before A2 and A2 speaks before A3. ఏం చేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు? రిషిత్, రిషిత్
సార్
చెప్పు ఏం చేస్తావు? ఇది ఒక ఐడియా డిస్కస్ చేయండి. వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్, ఐ విల్ గైడ్ యూ.
సార్ సార్
చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ 7 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ వేస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, ఆ 7 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ వేస్ లో అన్ని అంటే అన్ని మిక్స్ అయి ఉన్నాయి సార్, A1 A2 A3 అని. సో దాన్ని బై 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ సారీ 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఇంటూ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ చేస్తే
నో నో నో, అదర్వైజ్ డూ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ విత్ దిస్ ప్రీవియస్ ఐడియా. ఇలా చేయొచ్చు ప్రాబ్లం. ఎనీహౌ ఫ్రమ్ ద సిమెట్రీ ఐ కెన్ సే ద ఆన్సర్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇప్పుడు నేను దీనికి 2 సొల్యూషన్స్ చెప్పాను ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్. జస్ట్ బై ద సిమెట్రీ ఐ సెడ్ 1 ఆన్సర్. అండ్ హౌ టు డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్, దిస్ ఆల్సో ఐ డిస్కస్డ్. విత్ దిస్ ఐడియా వీ కెన్ డూ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఆన్ విచ్ పర్సన్స్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ కండిషన్? తేజస్,
A1 A2 అండ్ A3 సార్.
అంటే A1 A2 A3 ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు అరేంజ్. అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో దిస్ A1 A2 A3 I can arrange in any 3 places out of the 7. Is it right? అవునా కదా? ఏమయ్యా? హలో, హలో, చూడాలి రిషిత్.
సార్
A1 A2 A3, the main condition is on A1 A2 A3. Is it right?
ఎస్ సార్.
So that's why this A1 A2 A3 I can arrange in any 3 places in the 7. How many ways I can do it?
7p3.
Very good. In this 7p3 we may have A1, suppose one of the possible arrangement of 7p3 I want to consider. So A1 is here, A2 is here, A3 is here. We may consider A1 A2 A3. ఎలా అయినా కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా?
సార్
A1 A2 A3 and moreover A2 A3 A1. అర్థమవుతుందా? A1 A2 A3 A2 A1 A3. Next A1 A3 A2. This all we will get it. Is it right?
ఎస్ సార్.
But what we need?
A1 speaks before A2.
అంటే this only.
ఎస్ సార్.
అర్థమవుతుందా? నేను సపోజ్ in the 3 places A1 A2 A3 are there. In the 7p3 one of the possible cases A1 is here, A2 is here, A3 is here. This case we should consider it. And in this case A2 is here, A1 is here, A3 is here. That is also I am considering. A3 A1 A2. So the 3 speakers arranging in the 3 places, all we are considering it. But I need A1 speaks before A2 and A2 speaks before A3. అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ఎన్ని వస్తున్నాయి ఇట్లాంటి నీకు? A1 A2 A3, A1 A3 A2. నెక్స్ట్ A2, A1, A3, A2, A3, A1, A3, A1, A2, A3, A2, A1. Is it right?
Sir.
Ante in the 7p3, all we are counting it. But what we need, only this part we need. Ardhavatunda?
Yes, sir.
So by how much we should do? Angel. లేకపోతే మీకు ఈ విధంగా అర్థం కాకపోతే okay, with the combination betterly we can understand. Combination తో చెప్తాను. So this problem with combination easily we can do it. With the arrangement understanding it's somewhat difficult. You know, what is the meaning of NCR? You know, what is the meaning of NCR? Telsa Rishit? Hello?
Sir.
Telsa?
Really, sir.
Number of ways of selecting R things out of N things. Out of N distinct things. రాసుకోండి NCR అంటే ఏంటంటే అంటే సింపుల్ ఏంటంటే సపోజ్ 3 letters are there ABC. In how many ways we can select 2 letters? అంటే ఏం చేస్తాం చెప్పు ఒకసారి. In how many ways we can select 2 letters from these 3? ఏం చేస్తాం? In how many ways we can select 2 letters from ABC? ఏమొస్తాయి? What are the possibilities?
AB.
A, B, BA we should not write because my focus is on selection.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా? సెలక్షన్ అంటే the AB selection is same as that of BA selection.
BA selection.
Next AC,
AC.
BC.
Yes, sir.
That's all. And ఎన్ని వస్తున్నాయి? 3C2. It's 3 only. Do you know how to calculate NCR?
Yes, sir.
Combinations తెలుసు కదా?
Sir.
అంటే already in binomial you know what is NCR? Number of ways of selecting R objects out of
N distinct objects.
N distinct objects is NCR. ఇప్పుడు నేను చాలా సింపుల్ గా చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ నా దగ్గర ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి?
7 boxes.
7 boxes. In these 7, in any 3 we should keep A1, A2, A3. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకు? Why we are keeping A1, A2, A3 first? Because we are having a condition on A1, A2, A3. So that's why to accommodate A1, A2, A3, we should select 3 places out of 7. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
ఏం చేయాలి? I'm not arranging directly those 3 persons into the 3 chairs out of 7. Otherwise 3 places out of 7. What I do in these 7 places, I want to select or choose. Select and choose and ఒకటేనండి. I want to select 3 places. Then in those 3 places, I want to arrange A1, A2, A3. In such a manner, A1 speaks before A2 and A2 speaks before A3. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు 7 boxes. In 7 boxes, we should select how many boxes?
3 boxes.
How many ways we can do it?
7C3.
Suppose in 7C3, I got this and this and this. And these 3 boxes I selected. It means in these 3 boxes, what we should keep? A1, A2, A3.
A1, A2, A3.
In the order of A1 speaks before A2 and A3. How many ways we can arrange A1, A2, A3 in these 3 boxes with this condition? ఎన్ని వేస్ లో పెట్టొచ్చు ఈ 3 బాక్సెస్ లో?
One way, sir.
Only one way we can do it. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Into what about remaining things? Remaining how many persons are there?
4 persons, sir.
4 persons in 4 places I can arrange like
4 factorial.
4 factorial. That's why. Expand this. 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial. అంటే నాకేం వచ్చింది?
7 factorial by 3 factorial.
అది అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ చాలా జాగ్రత్త గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ లైక్ ఎ ఫార్ములా. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అరేంజ్ n persons in which r persons are in the order, then what is the answer? Here 3 persons are in the order, is it right? A1 speaks before A2 and A2 speaks before A3. Previous question 2 persons are in the order, that's why total by 2 factorial. 3 persons are in order by 3 factorial. And 3 factorial ఏమవుతుంది? This 3 factorial, its order cancels. అవునా కదా?
Yes sir.
ఇక్కడ 3 factorial రాయడం వల్ల ఏమని చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ 2 factorial order of A1 A2 are cancelled. ఇక్కడ 3 factorial రాయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, order of
A1 A2 A3
are cancelled. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తారు, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక రిజల్ట్ లా కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చండి మీరు. నోట్, number of ways of arranging n distinct objects in which in which smaller things are in order is enta? Smaller things are in order enta?
n factorial by r factorial.
n factorial by r factorial. ఇది చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. విత్ కాంబినేషన్ ఈజీలీ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అండి, నల్గొండ స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పండి. ఇంతేనా? నల్గొండ ఇంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, మై క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ arrange all the letters of the word Nalgonda such that G before O and O before D. ఎందుకు నేను why I am saying G before O, O before D? Because G before O and O before D is there, always we can see the name God. God కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. అంటే suppose I am highlighting the letters ZOD with some different color and remaining all are white black letters, then arranging this always we can observe ZOD, God. G before O and O before D. ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి నాకు. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. తేజస్
సార్
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైంది ఇది?
ఎస్ సార్.
G before O, O before D. So what is the condition here? Main condition on
G O and D.
And the ZOD how many letters? 3 letters. Is it right?
Yes sir.
So first of all we should fill that 3 letters. So these 3 letters where we should fill it? In these 8 blanks.
Yes sir.
And 3 letters if you want to fill it in 8 blanks, directly arrangement we can write it as 8p3. Arrangement we can do it, or else selecting we can do the arrangement.
Yes sir.
So and to arrange 3 letters in the 3 boxes out of 8 boxes, what I am doing first, choose any 3 boxes out of 8. How many ways I can do it?
8C3.
Then in suppose in this 8C3 I got selected these 3. In these 3 what I decided to arrange?
5.
What I decided to arrange in these 3 boxes?
G O and D.
In how many ways we can arrange ZOD according to the condition?
8C3, sir.
No, chala jagrataga viనాలి. In these 3 boxes, in how many ways I can arrange ZOD according to the given condition? What is the condition?
Only one way, sir.
One way, because Z should be here, O should be here, D should be here.
Yes,
Only
sir.
one way. Into, is there any condition on the remaining letters?
No, sir.
So
5
remaining
factor.
letters I can arrange in the remaining boxes. What are the remaining
Yes.
letters?
In
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer?
6 factorial.
6 factorial. But is there any alike letters are there? That also we should
Yes,
consider.
sir. Yes, sir.
What
By
are those
2
alike
factorial.
letters?
A
2 A's.
and 2 N's.
So what is my answer?
8C3 into 6 factorial by 4.
Right. This question could note change. Find the number of ways of arranging all the letters of the word Nalgonda such that G before O and O before D. Before means not immediately before. Write down that also. And somebody thinks before means immediately before. రేపు కూడా ఓన్లీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? ఓకే, బాయ్.